Gemini Wallet Pro app. The pros, the cons. The Gemini Wallet Pro app comes from one of the most regulated crypto exchanges in the world. But does that make it the safest choice or just another centralized wallet with limits? Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons. Gemini Wallet Pro is built for serious traders who want speed, security, and compliance in one place. One major advantage is that Gemini operates under US regulatory oversight, meaning it meets some of the toughest security and legal standards in the crypto industry. For many users, that alone provides huge peace of mind. Security is definitely its biggest strength. Gemini keeps the majority of digital assets in offline cold storage protected by multi-signature access controls. Meanwhile, funds held in the hot wallet are insured against theft, a rare feature that most crypto wallets don't offer. The app also supports over 100 cryptocurrencies and integrates directly with Gemini's advanced trading platform. You can buy, sell, or swap crypto instantly and track market movements in real time. It's designed for both mobile convenience and professional trading precision. However, there are some drawbacks to note. First, since Gemini is a custodial wallet, you don't actually hold your private keys. The company manages your keys for you, which means your crypto is only as safe as Gemini's systems and compliance rules. Another limitation is regional availability. Gemini operates primarily in the US and a few select countries, so global access may be restricted. Finally, trading fees on Gemini Pro can be higher than decentralized alternatives, especially for smaller transactions. In summary, the Gemini Wallet Pro app is a great option if you prioritize institutional-level security, insurance protection, and seamless trading tools. But if you believe in the crypto motto, not your keys, not your coins, you might prefer a non-custodial alternative. For regulated traders and investors though, Gemini Pro is a trustworthy and polished platform.